In these difficult times, one of the things that's made me most proud is the way everybody at RE/MAX Europe and RE/MAX around Europe has come together as a family. We've shown leadership in our individual regions, and we've shown leadership to the entire real estate industry. So much so, I believe that the efforts we're putting in as a group are really keeping the real estate industry rolling. So let's keep things rolling at RE/MAX using, yes, the international symbol of this crisis, and together, let's keep it rolling.
To further go together.
We are inspiring new connections to create more networking power.
We choose excellence when others are choosing easy.
We are building on 40 years of history to give our customers confidence they can trust.
We are achieving our goals by helping our network achieve theirs.
We are balancing global exposure with local expertise.
We are standing out of the crowd by challenging the impossible.
We're empowering all of our colleagues the freedom to be as unique as their business.
We are supporting each other with a family of 25,000 that always have your back.
We are strengthening relationships with our customers to help them dream bigger.
We're boosting our network with training that brings out their best.
We are reinventing customer experience for new standards of service.
We're changing the game to make room for more winners.
We are sharing our best practices and swapping ideas so everyone can grow.
We're taking our talents, turning them into expertise in order to launch a legacy.
We're opening doors to unlock the next success.
We're leading the industry as the #1 real estate brand in the world.
And now it's your turn. Let's see how you keep it rolling.